Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add plugins in Figma. You can either download Figma app on your laptop or your phone, or you can use Figma app on any browser. Here I have already downloaded this app, so I'm going to use this app on my desktop. Now after you open a Figma app, you'll see home page like this. First click on this new design file. After that, this new file will be created, and here on the top left corner of this app you can see this main menu option. Click on it. Now here hover your mouse on this plugin option. Now you can see this development option here. Hover your mouse there and you can see different options. Now click on this new plugin option to add plugin on your account. Here choose one according to your preference. Here I'm choosing multi-product. Now click on next. Now choose these options according to your requirement and make sure to type in the name for your plugin here. After that, click on this save as option, and following the simple and easy step, you have successfully added plugin on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.